Maintaining optimal kidney health is vital for overall well-being. The kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste products and excess fluids from the blood, regulating blood pressure, and balancing electrolyte levels. However, various factors such as poor diet, dehydration, and certain medical conditions can impair kidney function over time. Fortunately, adopting a kidney-friendly diet can significantly support renal health and even aid in the healing process. In this video, we'll explore 10 foods renowned for their ability to support kidney health and healing. Number 1. Lemon. You might be surprised to learn just how beneficial this citrus fruit can be for your kidneys. Lemons are not only a delicious addition to your water or recipes, but they're also packed with nutrients that can support kidney function. First off, lemons are an excellent source of citric acid. Citric acid helps prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and pH, making it more difficult for stones to form. Drinking lemon water regularly can help keep your kidneys healthy by promoting hydration and flushing out toxins. But wait, there's more. Lemons are also rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that can protect against oxidative stress and inflammation in the kidneys. Incorporating lemon juice or zest into your meals can add flavor without the need for excess salt, which is beneficial for kidney health, especially for those managing high blood pressure or kidney disease. Whether it's squeezing fresh lemon juice over your salad, adding zest to your favorite recipes, or simply enjoying a refreshing glass of lemon water, there are plenty of delicious ways to reap the benefits of lemons for your kidneys. Number 2. Cranberries. You may have heard about cranberries being beneficial for urinary tract health, but did you know they also work wonders for your kidneys? Cranberries are packed with antioxidants, particularly proanthocyanidins, which help prevent bacteria like E. coli from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract, thus reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. But their benefits extend beyond the bladder. They're kidney superheroes too. Firstly, cranberries are loaded with compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties. By reducing inflammation in the kidneys, they help protect against kidney damage and improve overall renal function. Secondly, cranberries are a natural diuretic, meaning they help increase urine production. This can aid in flushing out toxins and waste products from the kidneys, promoting detoxification and keeping your kidneys happy and healthy. Whether you enjoy them fresh, dried, in juice form, or incorporated into delicious recipes, cranberries offer a tasty and kidney-friendly way to support renal health. Number 3. Cauliflower. Cauliflower might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think about kidney health, but trust me, this humble vegetable packs quite a punch when it comes to supporting our kidneys. First off, cauliflower is low in potassium and phosphorus, two minerals that individuals with kidney issues often need to watch out for. By incorporating cauliflower into your diet, you're providing your body with essential nutrients without overloading your kidneys. But that's not all. Cauliflower is also rich in fiber, which is crucial for maintaining healthy digestion. A healthy digestive system means less strain on your kidneys as they work to filter out waste products from your body. Whether you roast it, steam it, or even mash it as a low-carb alternative to mashed potatoes, cauliflower is incredibly versatile and can easily be incorporated into your favorite dishes. Number 4. Watermelon. Did you know that watermelon contains compounds that can help promote kidney health? It's true! Let's break down exactly how this delicious fruit works its magic. First off, watermelon is incredibly hydrating, with about 92% water content. Staying hydrated is essential for kidney function, as it helps flush out toxins and waste products from the body. But there's more to watermelon than just water. It's also rich in a powerful antioxidant called lycopene. Lycopene gives watermelon its vibrant red color and has been linked to reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys. Studies have shown that regular consumption of lycopene-rich foods, like watermelon, may help protect against kidney damage and lower the risk of developing kidney stones. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic has been celebrated for centuries for its medicinal properties, and its benefits for kidney health are truly remarkable. Let's delve into how this humble ingredient can make a big difference. First off, garlic is packed with compounds like allicin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. These properties can help combat kidney infections and reduce inflammation, ultimately supporting kidney function. Additionally, garlic acts as a natural diuretic, promoting urine production and aiding in the elimination of toxins from the body. This is crucial for maintaining healthy kidney function and preventing the buildup of harmful substances. Studies have also shown that garlic may help lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, which are important factors in reducing the risk of kidney disease and improving overall kidney health. So, how can you incorporate more garlic into your diet to reap these fantastic benefits? It's simple. You can add minced garlic to your favorite dishes like soups, stir-fries, and pasta sauces for a flavorful and nutritious boost. Number 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only bursting with flavor, but they're also packed with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. These antioxidants are what give blueberries their vibrant blue color and, more importantly, their incredible health benefits. Now, let's talk about how blueberries can specifically benefit our kidneys. First off, blueberries are fantastic for promoting kidney health because they're naturally low in sodium, phosphorus, and potassium, making them kidney-friendly for those with kidney issues. When we consume blueberries, these tiny nutritional powerhouses get to work inside our bodies. The antioxidants in blueberries help to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the kidneys, which can be beneficial for those with kidney disease or other kidney-related issues. But wait, there's more. Blueberries also have a diuretic effect, meaning they can help increase urine production and promote the elimination of toxins from the body. This can be especially helpful for supporting kidney function and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Number 7. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can support your kidneys in numerous ways. First off, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats found abundantly in fatty fish have been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be incredibly beneficial for kidney health. Reducing inflammation in the kidneys can help lower the risk of kidney disease progression and alleviate symptoms for those already managing kidney issues. Additionally, fatty fish is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is essential for maintaining muscle mass and overall health, especially for individuals with kidney disease. Another key benefit of incorporating fatty fish into your diet is its low phosphorus content. Too much phosphorus in the blood can be harmful to the kidneys, so choosing foods low in phosphorus, like fatty fish, can be advantageous. Furthermore, fatty fish are rich in essential nutrients such as vitamin D and B vitamins, which play vital roles in supporting kidney function and overall well-being. So, whether you're looking to prevent kidney issues or support your kidney health, consider adding more fatty fish to your diet. Your kidneys will thank you. Number 8. Onions. Onions are loaded with antioxidants, particularly quercetin. This powerful compound helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body, which is essential for maintaining healthy kidneys. Onions provide vitamin C, manganese, and B vitamins, including folate. They also contain prebiotic fibers that help keep your digestive system healthy by feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Now let's talk about hydration. Did you know that onions are about 90% water? That's right. Eating foods with high water content, like onions, can contribute to your daily fluid intake, which is crucial for kidney health. Proper hydration helps flush toxins from the kidneys and prevents the formation of kidney stones. And last but not least, let's not forget about flavor. Onions add depth and richness to a wide variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and stir-fries. By incorporating onions into your meals, you're not only enhancing the taste, but also reaping the benefits for your kidney health. Number 9. Apples. Apples are packed with fiber, and you know what that means. They're great for promoting healthy digestion and keeping your gut happy. But how does that tie into kidney health? Well, proper digestion helps your body eliminate waste efficiently, taking some of the workload off your kidneys. This is crucial for maintaining kidney function. But wait, there's more. Apples are also low in potassium, making them an ideal snack for those with kidney issues. High potassium levels can be problematic for folks with compromised kidney function, so opting for low potassium foods like apples can help keep those levels in check. And let's not forget about antioxidants. Apples are rich in antioxidants like quercetin, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation can contribute to kidney damage, so incorporating foods like apples that fight inflammation can be incredibly beneficial. So, how can you enjoy more apples in your diet? Well, The possibilities are endless. Slice them up for a quick and nutritious snack, toss them into salads for a refreshing twist, or even bake them into a delicious dessert like apple crisp or pie. Number 10. Red bell peppers. Did you know that red bell peppers are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that can support your kidneys? Let's uncover how these vibrant vegetables work their magic. First off, red bell peppers are low in potassium, making them an excellent choice for individuals with kidney issues. Red bell peppers are rich in vitamins A, C, and B6, along with antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene. These nutrients are important for immune function, which is closely linked with kidney disease. Whether you enjoy them raw in salads, roasted in a savory stir-fry, or blended into a velvety soup, there are countless ways to incorporate red bell peppers into your diet and reap the rewards for your kidneys.